This video today is going to go about dyeing my hair. Yeah, that's right, I'm going to kill my hair again. A selfie stick, yay! Oh my, that's what happens. Okay, so I guess this is what makes it light. Oh my god. Right, I've been at the shower, I've put some conditioner on my hair to give it a bit of a care or whatever. So this is really bad lighting to show you, but tomorrow I'm going to show you in daylight because it's literally 2:45 now. So it's not as bad as I thought it would be. I thought I would literally go crying after this. It did actually do something, but like I said, the lighting is really shit here, I can't really show you. But obviously not everything is perfectly, but I'm pretty sure for the amount of hair that I have, the thickness of hair that I have, and the length, I should have at least done 3x of the product. So that's just not enough. So I'm thinking about maybe picking some dye from the drugstore tomorrow. I'm not sure yet, but obviously I still need to wash it with some silver shampoo. Then I need to just wait and see what it does when it dries. Yeah, so I'm tired. I'm going to do my hair, I'm going to wash my hair now, do it with some silver shampoo, going to go to bed, and then tomorrow it's a day to worry about it. Hey, so don't mind this because I'm already trying to fix it and I forgot that I need to film, but this is the color right now, and I'm pretty sure it doesn't look as bad on camera as in real life. We can't expect for us to bleach our hair completely perfect ourselves from going dark brown till blonde. So I'm not too disappointed because it is actually lighter, but it needs to be fixed. There are orange pieces in there, so what I'm going to do now is put some blue shampoo on it, let it get into my hair. I don't know how to say that, but yeah, and then we'll see what I'm gonna do. But I definitely have to cut a bit of my hair. Well, I don't, that's not what I'm gonna do myself, but because they're quite dead. And I just woke up, so this is great. Good morning. Oh, I look so tired. I basically had 6 hours of sleep. So you hear my voice is still waking up. Right. This is how it looks now. It's now Sunday morning. I dyed my hair Friday night, and I think it's time for a little recap because it's been so crazy busy and I couldn't just film everything and a lot happened. So let me guide you through this. Friday night I dyed my hair, and then I was basically, the first impression was a wet look, which obviously isn't telling you everything. So I was like, I'm gonna worry about this tomorrow. And then Saturday morning I got up, made that video you just saw. Yeah, I wasn't happy with it at all. I was like, what have I done? This looks ridiculous. I still have a week of my internship to do, and that's gonna be so annoying. So yeah, I was like, I need to fix this right now, because I told in the video that I did it on Friday night because if something went wrong, I could have always come or go to a hairdresser. But low-key, I didn't really want to do that because I could already feel the faces of the girls in the hairdresser salon. Like, oh, there's another one who fucked up and we need to fix it. Because they're so rude sometimes. Like, I didn't feel like doing that. So I was like, I'm gonna try and fix it myself as good as possible. So because it was orange, I knew that blue shampoo takes out the orange in your hair, And I bought that last time I tried a lot of things with my hair. So I still had plenty of that. So I basically divided my hair in like 5 pieces, made a brush wet, start brushing over my hair till it's wet, and then had gloves on, and then just literally like shampooed in my hair with the blue shampoo. I had that on for half an hour, and I was like, I kind of need to take it off, but I don't want to yet, because I don't know if it did its job, if it actually did something. So yeah, I washed my hair again. While I was washing it, so I was getting the blue shampoo out, and then I used silver shampoo. Let that on for like 2 minutes, and I washed it off again. And then I came out, obviously didn't really see anything because it was still wet, but it looked kind of better. Then I dried it. Yeah, as good as I can. I don't really like to dry my hair. So it was better, but obviously it wasn't completely dry yet. I didn't really know yet. And then my sister at the moment was at a hairdresser, literally 2 houses further away. So Mum asked, like, oh, ask her if she still has like time to cut Sophie's hair, just like the tips, because obviously they're really broken. And she had, so I literally get out the door and went, and she just cut. The first thing she said to me was like, oh, you're blonde again. And I was like, feeling a bit embarrassed. I was like, yeah, I didn't do it professionally, I did it myself. But she was like, to be honest, that's actually really good. Like, your mum did a good job. Like, if you go to hairdresser, it's a really tough one to bleach it from that dark to this light. So I think you've done a good job. And I was like, that's actually the nicest thing anyone said to me since I had this hair. So yeah, that kind of, I'm not gonna say this is perfect, obviously, but then I am gonna say that if I hear some people talk at the hairdresser, it's not guaranteed that you get a nice blonde coupe. So that's just my opinion. But yeah, so she cut off literally 10 centimeters, just the tips, which are basically, they were dead already, so they had to go off anyway. So no biggie. And yeah, I haven't really had a good look. The difference between this and the rest of my hair is not as big anymore. It is still there, obviously, but that, to be honest, I think is always going to stay a little. Then I'm pretty sure at this point that I can solve everything with silver shampoo. So we're going to just see how that goes, and then just leave my hair alone for 2 weeks, and then we'll see what we do, how it's looking and all sorts. But yeah, so far that was it. I am gonna do a video with an honest opinion about how to bleach your own hair, coming from someone who doesn't know anything. Because what makes me say this is that I have this group on Facebook called Beauty Squad, and if people from Belgium or Holland are watching this, they might know it. Really big group, all sorts of people, and then people who don't know shit about beauty at all, people who are the professionals, they're all in it. And so obviously when I got the issue with, oh, my hair's not really great, I put a picture on it with, well, I'm just going to show you this picture of me with brown hair, but I made curls at that point, so they're not real. Like, this is my real hair. I made curls. And then the picture of how it looked when it was still wet the first time I came out of the shower. The amount of, I'm not going to say, oh, they start hating on me, but the amount of hate I got on changing my hair is insane, about all the hairdressers. And I'm like, look, girls, I know you're a hairdresser, you're a professional, but I didn't ask for that. I asked for tips. I didn't ask you to tell me, oh, what the fuck did you do? Your hair was perfect before. I clearly didn't like it. I clearly wanted to go back to blonde. I didn't need that opinion of you. So yeah, and that is something I want to talk about. Spill the tea, bitch. No. I know, actually I am, so watch it. I'm going to put a link here, gonna put it online the same time as this. But yeah, that is basically, I think, the video. So this is the picture that my sister took with my phone, an iPhone. So it looks really pink, as you can see. And then she took a picture with her phone. She has Samsung something, Android anyway. And the camera difference is insane. So it still looks pink, but it's different, like a lot different. Like how the fuck do I know how I look now? Anyway, so yeah, it doesn't really look pink in my eyes or in real life. I think maybe it has a little bit of a pink shine, but I think that's more of the silver shampoo, to be honest. As far as I'm concerned, I'm happy with how it looks. I'm happy it bleached really well. There are differences, but then my hair's never been 100% one color. Even when I dyed it brown, apparently, well, no one saw it except for the hairdressers, but that there were... Fuck. Do you see that? My cat's having a little fight in the background. I don't see it, do you? But yeah, bottom line, I'm happy with how it looks. Is my camera? I'm happy with how it looks, and I kind of saved 100 euros. So, I mean, I'm not gonna say do it yourself. I'll say that in my honest opinion. But I am gonna say if you have good hair, because that's important, and you want to save some money, hairdressers are expensive. Even the hairdresser I went to cut my hair off, she was like, if you have to do that with a hairdresser, you lost so much money. And that's the hairdresser herself saying that. I mean, it is just so expensive, and I don't at the moment have money to spend on that. I want to spend my money on other stuff, like buying tickets to come and see my boyfriend. That's the same amount of money, but then I see my boyfriend. So like, yeah. Anyway, I'm dwelling on this. I think in total it cost me, well, not even, 31 euros for the whole package, the developer, the toner, and whatever was with it, the 3 tubes. That was 31. Of the big tubes, I didn't use any, like, I think I used maybe half of it, not even maybe, so that I still have a lot of left of that. So not even 31 on that one. And then to cut my hair, to be honest, I don't even know how that cost, because mum paid it and it was for me and my sister. It was 34 euros. Obviously it's not as perfect as when I would go to a hairdresser, but I'm good. I'm good. I am really good. Anyway, I need to bake 1,000 cupcakes now, so I'm gonna leave it at this. Definitely check out the honest opinion video if you want an honest tea opinion about what happened. But yeah. Okay, bye.